recently I had to really teach him because he's so used to being with me because I was such a tomboy. And it was kind of, you know, he and I a lot together.
You want to say something?
He would be rough with me, but then, like, the little girls come over. All the kids come to our house. We have the fun playhouse.
You got the fun house.
We have the fun house. Not that kind of fun house. No. You said?
Be gone.
Latch on all the walls and the door. I think that's a genius idea. I'm absolutely going to do that. But I had to recently teach him that, you know, with the little girls, like Bela, for instance, or his two Italian girlfriends, Chi-Chi and Yaya.
Oh,
What are you going to say, huh?
just hanging out with Chi-Chi and Yaya, there's already trouble.
You're not saying much.
But anyway,
You're not saying much. How come?
About being gentle with the girls.
Huh?
Like, why
Okay.
he couldn't go and knock them down like he and the boys do when they wrestle. So I think it's really important to start that at a young age.
It is, and I think too, one of the things that I wanted my son to do was not brag.
Are you my boy?
And not be
Absolutely. Never kiss and tell.
never. And
You
to
got
be
little
so
bubbles.
respectful with, you know, your girlfriends or whatever they are to you, that you treat them with respect, you keep quiet and you respect women.
Absolutely. And you know what's funny is a lot of times you hear about men that have been raised by single moms, and so you would think that, and they love their